There she is, the wrap. I don't think I've done a full video of this thing. There you go. Oh, here's a better one. It's true that. Truth. Okay, down. Down. Come on. Out, out. There's the rig. You guys probably seen that. There's the chickens. But anyway, I got a surprise. I am gonna be working on something. Dun dun dun. Scooped up 4 55-gallon tall tanks, perfect for a skid that I can drop into the truck. I plan on doing 100 and, well, it would be 55 times 3. That would be 110, 115, be 165, 165 gallon buffer tank with all 3 of them tied together. And then I'd have a 55 gallon, what do you call it? 55 gallon chemical tank. So that's the plan. Also, man, it's a mess in here, but I got it from Russ Johnson. I got another skid set up. Right there's a 10 gallon per minute pump, and then underneath there is another Predator 670. So got a couple things I'm going to be working on. And hey, sit down, good girl. Paul, give me Paul. Good girl. Say hello. Say hi, Gia. Okay, anyway, got a lot of work I'll be doing, and this way, you know, I'll stay busy. But anyway, guys, wash on. All right, stay tuned for more updates on the builds, etc. Like and comment if you guys want some more progress. Take care.